What is the word?
Mountain.
Mountain? Thank you. My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds. Again, isipin mo siya, nakita ko kagad yung lips mo, Kim, gumanon. So parang gusto mo sabihin, it's an M word, yeah? Yes. Okay. Imagine that this word or whatever this is in front of you right now. Tumitingin ka sa taas. This is a huge thing. This is a thing maybe. Yeah. Hindi siya kasya dito sa loob. Sobrang laki niya. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, parang may naisip ka parang Japan or something. Parang ganun. Interesting. Think of the last letter for me. N? Alright, Kim. Sana tama ako. What is the word?
Mountain.
Mountain?